Hey there, friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting ways to grow your crypto portfolio without lifting a finger, well, almost. We're talking about staking crypto and earning passive income. And not just any staking, we're looking ahead to 2025 to uncover the best coins to stake for maximum returns. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's break it all down together. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is staking? Imagine you're planting a tree. You put in the effort to plant it, water it, and then over time, it grows and gives you fruit without you having to do much else. Staking crypto is kinda like that. When you stake your crypto, you're essentially locking it up in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, the network rewards you with more crypto, just like earning interest in a savings account, but often at much higher rates. The cool part? You're helping secure the network while earning passive income. It's a win-win. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about staking? Well, let me hit you with some numbers. Traditional savings accounts offer, 1 to 2% interest annually? Maybe 3% if you're lucky. But with staking, you can earn anywhere from 5% to 20% or even more, depending on the coin and network. And here's the kicker, as crypto adoption grows, the value of your staked coins could increase over time. So, you're not just earning rewards, you're also potentially benefiting from price appreciation. That's the power of compounding in the crypto world. Alright, so now that you're excited about staking, let's talk about how to choose the best coins to stake. Not all cryptocurrencies are created equal, and some are way better for staking than others. Here's what you need to consider. Reward rates, look for coins with high annual percentage yields, APY. Network security, make sure the blockchain is secure and reliable. Liquidity, can you easily unstake and sell your coins if needed? Long-term potential, is this coin likely to grow in value over time? Ease of staking, some coins require technical know-how, while others are beginner-friendly. Got it? Great! Now, let's get into the juicy part, the best coins to stake in 2025. Alright, drumroll, please. Here are my top 5 picks for the best coins to stake in 2025. These are based on current trends, project roadmaps, and their potential for growth. Let's go! 1. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is the king of smart contract platforms, and with its transition to proof-of-stake, POS, staking ETH has become a no-brainer. The network is secure, widely adopted, and offers solid rewards. Plus, as Ethereum continues to scale with upgrades like sharding, the value of ETH could skyrocket. Staking rewards? Around 4 to 7% annually, but the potential for price growth is where the real magic happens. 2. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is often called the Ethereum killer, and for good reason. It's energy efficient, scalable, and has a strong community. Staking ADA is super easy, and you can earn around 5 to 7% annually. Plus, with Cardano's focus on real-world use cases, ADA could see significant growth by 2025. 3. Solana, SOL. Solana is known for its blazing fast transactions and low fees. Staking SOL can earn you around 6 to 8% annually, and with its growing ecosystem of decentralized apps, dApps, Solana is poised for long-term success. Just keep an eye on network stability, as it's had a few hiccups in the past. 4. Polkadot, DOT. Polkadot is all about interoperability, connecting different blockchains. Staking DOT can earn you around 10 to 14% annually, which is insane. Plus, with its parachain auctions and growing ecosystem, Polkadot is a strong contender for 2025. 5. Cosmos, Atom. Cosmos is the internet of blockchains, and staking Atom can earn you around 10 to 15% annually. Its focus on interoperability and ease of use makes it a favorite among crypto enthusiasts. By 2025, Cosmos could be a major player in the blockchain space. Now that you know which coins to stake, let's talk about how to actually do it. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Choose a wallet. Use a wallet that supports staking, like Ledger, Trust Wallet, or the official wallet for the coin. Buy the coin, Purchase the crypto you want to stake from a reputable exchange. Delegate or stake. Follow the instructions to delegate your coins to a validator or stake them directly. Earn rewards. Sit back and watch your rewards roll in. Pro tip: always do your research on validators to ensure they're reliable and have low fees. Now, before you go all in on staking, let's talk about the risks. Yes, there are a few. Price volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly, so your rewards might not outweigh a price drop. Lockup periods. Some coins require you to lock up your funds for a set period. Slashing. If a validator misbehaves, you could lose a portion of your staked coins. But don't worry, you can mitigate these risks by diversifying your portfolio, choosing reputable validators, and only staking what you can afford to lock up. Looking ahead to 2025, staking is only going to get bigger and better. As more blockchains adopt proof of stake, the opportunities for passive income will explode. Plus, with advancements in DeFi, decentralized finance, you'll be able to leverage your staked assets in even more ways. The key is to stay informed, stay flexible, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. The crypto world moves fast, and those who adapt will thrive. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your crypto crew, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth in the digital age. Drop a comment below, let me know which coin you're most excited to stake. Until next time, happy staking.